So on the back of the page, they have given us a little key here that reminds us that in each box we have the element symbol, which is always a capital letter followed by a always a capital letter, sometimes followed by a lowercase letter. We have the atomic number, the element name, its uses, and then here it has the period, the group, and the family listed. So I think it's going to be easiest as we go through this if I bring up pictures of the ones that we're working on. The first one they want us to do, they tell us that the symbol is Ne. So let's go down and figure out which element they're talking about. And I know that Ne is over here. And we're just going to cut this out and copy it. And then bring it up here so that we can look at it while we're filling this out. All right, so Ne. I don't have information in this square that says what the name is or the atomic number, so I'm going to fill those in. Looking at the picture from the table below, I see that the atomic number of neon is 10. And just like I just said, its name is neon. Then I need to include what it's used for. So this one, it's used for advertising signs. And then it wants me to tell them the period, the group, and the family. Now that I'm going to need to go back down to the bottom and see. So remember, periods are the rows going down. So neon is in period 2. Groups are the columns going across. So it's group 18. And its family, if I look this light pink color here, it tells me that that is a noble gas. So we said it was in period 2, group 18, and its family was noble gases. All right, we're going to get rid of the picture of neon, and now we're looking for atomic number 38. Let's come down here and see, going in order, 38 is right here, strontium. So let's cut that one out and bring it up here where it can help me. Make it a little bit bigger so I can see. Okay. So we have our periodic number, but we need to fill in our element symbol, which is capital S, lowercase r. Our element name is strontium. I apologize. And it's used for fireworks. If I come down here and look, it is in period 5, group 2, and it's blue. It's an alkali earth metal. So period 5, group 2, and it's an alkali earth metal. All right, let's get rid of that picture. Next up is mercury. Come on down here, and I remember from before when we were looking at it, mercury is down here. So we'll bring mercury up. Alrighty, we have the name. We need the abbreviation or the symbol, which in this case is Hg. Mercury's abbreviation or symbol is one of those ones that doesn't seem like it makes a lot of sense to us now because it doesn't match the way that we pronounce the word or the word that we use now, but its symbol is from back before it was actually called mercury. And our element number is, or atomic number is 80, and it's used in thermometers. We've talked about this before, that back in the old days, when thermometers had that silver metal liquid in them, it was mercury, but we stopped using that because it can be very dangerous to people if the mercury gets in their body through their skin. All right, period, group, and family. Let's go down and see. For mercury, it is in period 6. It's in group 12, and it's green, so it is a transition metal. Period 6, group 12, and it is a transition metal. All right, let's get the mercury picture out of there, and now we're looking for Cu. Come down here and take a look, and I see Cu is right here, copper. So we'll copy that, bring it up here, and Cu is copper. And its atomic number is 29, and we've talked about this before in class, it is used in electrical wires. That's because copper is very good at electrical conductivity. It allows electricity to pass through it easily. So period, group, and family. Oops, too far. We are looking for period 4, group 11, and we're still in the transition metals. Period 4, group 11, and transition metals again. All right, and I hear Tommy getting antsy and trying to come bug me, so we'll take a break and we'll do the rest of them in a little bit.